guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike ACG LOWCATE. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's go. So today, I forgot to say thank you. So let's go. And today we've got to look at the ACG LOWCATE, and we got this in the light iron ore colorway. In the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US 8.5. Let's just quickly look at the box, because I don't think I've seen a lot of the ACG boxes that are like this. Brown, you got the ACG logo. For those that don't know, ACG is Nike's Explorer, like adventure line, and it's built for all conditions, hence why it's called all conditions gear. Yeah, it's used for outdoor use with the big influx, and everyone is super interested in that hiker group core trend. So they write that Nike put their foot down again, show them why they are heavyweights in the group core hiker world. If it makes any sense at all. Obviously, Nike have been doing this for years, so ACG is just under the umbrella of the Nike family, and it was founded in, I want to say, mid-80s, could be wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. But we'll get opening, and here we go. So we've done tons of hiker sneakers, trail runners, whatever you want to call them, and this is really, in my opinion, is very fetching, very dope colorway, and I love the design. It looks like a normal, like a Nike Pegasus, but you've got all the bits that are designed for all your trail running. With all that said, we'll go into all this detail right now for you, and we look at the outsole. So this outsole is an all-rubber outsole. You look at this heavy lug that's all around, and this is what Nike called the trail frame. It's therefore to make it sturdy, and hopefully you don't slip when you're doing your walks, your runs in the great outdoors. Midsole unit is just a foam midsole, but you've got a trail frame here as well. Again, there's not many technology used here, but you can kind of see how dense and thick the midsole unit is. So it's there to be more structured, help keep that foundation whilst you're on movement. Again, try not to make yourself slip. Looking at the upper, and I love this upper. It does remind me of your classic Nike runners. If you look at the toe box area as well, it's got the same shape you'll see in runners. I've read on the interwebs that many retailers have said that this is suede on the outlays. I don't think it is. This, to me, it feels like it is, I wouldn't say fake leather, but it's fake suede. But upon further inspection, when you look into the materials used, it is suede. It's a shame though, because it doesn't really feel like proper nice suede. I think it's there because, I wouldn't say Nike cheaped out, but I think they used a lower quality because they intend people to be, running through mud in these and doing a lot of heavy running in the woods. It's going to give it a lot of abrasion, so probably that's why. I'm not 100% sure. If anyone from Nike wants to correct me, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, you can tell maybe it's there to help lessen the abrasion, but you can kind of see it here with the extended outsole unit of the rubber coming here. That will help prevent abrasion on the toe area. The medial side and the lateral side, so the majority of the sneakers made out of this mesh to help make it more breathable, obviously. The lacing system is quite unique. It's kind of like your normal lacing system, but it kind of like weaves its way, like through this little loop as well. It looks like it's weaving. It's pretty nice though. I like the colorway, this retro green feel with the hint of this grey. You can't go wrong with the grey. ACG logo, that's on the tongue. The tongue is nicely padded. Obviously you want that to be nice and comfortable whilst you're walking. Ankle support, it's very nicely padded again. At the heel, you've got the ACG unit. Little pull tab on the tongue to help make it more easy for yourself to slip your feet in. And the insole as well. You've got foam insole, all conditions gear on the inside. And it's just want to say that just below the swoosh, you've got the ACG logo. That's on the lateral side there, and it's got, well, it's made out of heat pressed plastics, so it's there again to prevent yourself from getting more abrasions on the side of your feet. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these all-conditioned gear sneakers on. Can't wait for you to see me wearing these Nike ACG LOWCATEs. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike Fit. I am a 7.5 and my toes are where they need to be. There was a bit of a struggle to get my feet in, I'm not gonna lie to you there, but once I've slipped my feet in, these are very comfortable, very lightweight. I have to mention that. I mean, if you're looking for an accessible all-terrain hiker sneaker or trail running sneaker, I do recommend these. They're not as tech heavy as our other competitors. For example, we've done Salomon sneaker reviews, so check those out, and I'll rave on about Salomon. But listen, these Nike ones, I mean, it makes me look like I'm gonna go hiking in the mountains in LA. Yeah, they hike in LA. It's like I'm gonna do that. This is the fit, as the kids would say. Pretty dope sneaker, looks really cool, retro like on, looks like, as I mentioned before, looks like a retro runner from Nike, and yeah, again, very comfortable. Highly recommend you get this sneaker. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, follow us at Oneupreviewz, but it's at the end. Until next time, peace.